All right. Good morning and welcome to Occupy Standing on YouTube with Silbert. Oba, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Exactly. Egusu ye Jumadeno. Send ye be stories ni de biadia brobo crojin. The fee ene inkikaye bi any ho. Send ye mosono. When it comes to the affairs of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, you'll be well updated. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I have another channel called SO TV Football. All football news, including Kotoko. Dear, in our call that particular platform, or search SOTV football. Now, I subscribe to that particular channel. Yeah, must say, my family near build the Silver network to the next level. Young call in 7. And I'll pay Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Training. Enra, omo training. Now, Enra, send a boy home modern day, mama update on the injury issues at Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Na mame confirm we ma on say no me catch am say ye be twen akwa akopem eye ebi awukuada ye pese ye kotokona ye training to see the fitness of Henry Ansu. Na mame fa we ntu wani say Kotoko game a omobebo against Brekum Chelsea. Henry Ansu is out of the game. Match no ontimi nsi akan ni bi. Ni nyina na yɛsɛ Ansu Kotodwe Kotoko Midiema and Henry Ansu epeke a knock ewo that particular game no na when we game no oba empanifo ayo de ometimi after Kotoko Midiema Kotoko abo against Legon Cities na I say Diema peke ne yɛsɛ ni Kotodwe no ye de ade ahye ni Kotodwe no na from the look of things no ebia na otwe we empanifo betimi ayi new support no na emom ye a afei na oba be start gym work na from gym work no we proceed to light training and running ewo adakwaja ache and san wa back kicking na from kicking no processes na me run through no na wa start to prepare for match fitness on so ko tenafia enye se uni ahoden ba all like match fitness to start a gym no for them to see whether you are feeling pain ewo. So no uni wa no start about training na dey would to become extensively. Inside gym na dey would to no at home. But when they would try park no near measure they be no you 5 or try 6. Now we are started kick. Now started on 9 no air bobo mu near he say yeah drills no movement na in Filipina. So no na play because of Filipina and next must come back. Now started the whole process again. Inti Hansu will go through all these process and sana waba be match fitness na you train na obobi ni ade and sana ma we nyina no nhyehyɛ ne yɛsɛ ebe den sɛ na awotwe we obetimi ayɛ saa nneɛma no nyina na eventually watimi aba be si akan ma Kotoko ne Chelsea. So from what I'm picking, unless something happens which you be so ama update, but yeah confirm ama say Ansu is out of Kotoko Brekum Chelsea, which is a big blow because yes, Kotoko against Team my friend Legon Cities. The performance of Sharif Mohammed Neosro, clearly he played extremely well. He was one of my best players in that game. My ratings around 7.5, together with Yusuf Nuruddin. Nuruddin Sunyami Adam nam break by FA Cup break no. Ono sweat me recover. But can Ansu on here Brekum boy or Bobo Brekum Chelsea. Or close to bear 4 games or Nim Park no so no kono eka team no ho e ginem finfia nkebe boa pay, which is quite a big blow to team my friend Asante Kotoko. Richmond Lamptey makachre mo be 1 month ago say Chelsea game no so be out man 60-40 so betimi recover ba has game no na what you ye hwe anim say e bia obetimi asi agoprama so no start kicking kakra enye sipe ka hunu say porcupine stand with Selbert made the news in Reba. Now I'm about to break the camera at the amount. I'm a bibia etimi akoye me to ansem no so. And now, when the mama say Enoch Morrison ne Sharif Mohammed, when for Bobo Mabaso ama contract extension no etimi aye adwuma. Unconfirmed news are mensaka because it's coming from one side of the source. But when I try to get to both sides of the source, and sometimes the third party in the source. Third party it me nipa na nkasa. They be only omo ben kotoko kasa. They be a player only omo ben no. Out me say nipa we dey o kan so masi ho asem a wo nyina so kase. Na eya uwia na woni nipa na nkasa no wanya abotere na kasa. Makatram said the signing of Richmond Lamptey's contract no. Ebe den kakra ma Asante Kotoko. But the news is being reported say player ne Kotoko communicate say untimi extend the contract. Let me put it on record. A one-sided story. In Tianumre, I will take my time and do exclusive one on the Richmond Lamptey transfer and our contract extension conversation exclusively. But then any dieba, I feel made that de chire. Ede amamo ewo Lamptey nkomodie no. Ni nyina nim say edin. But as to say player na case studio no. Sa stage ni aba be duru a. Me se enumre nya abotre ma me. Me ho adwuma ma o enti on de na wo hwe video na fa 2-3 say so be ye adwuma na ede ama me no a ye na amesem baturi edi nkomo efa ye players opese ode ba Kumasi Asante Kotoko ma catch say this particular transfer window Asante Kotoko recruitment a committee and a ho adwuma players ni bi be justify extensively before say Kotoko be fa no. The coach or the ability to do a presentation to this committee on players osusu say so mu free Kotoko. And until I catch Kotoko players, there's a moment in doubt because monitoring team no keje gum monitor mo send a coach the ne de ba. Omo nyina betenase last season the see players be entimi anya time to even start pre-season with Kotoko ne bi nsibiem. Ni nyina na say enra the medical team ne de kyerɛw sɛ ɔmo bɛyɛ intensive medicals ɛde ama Asante Kotoko players so an administrative aspect players Kotoko bejo ɔmo kwan no mpanimfo mpɛ sɛ Safutela Clinton Opoku Ernesto Sepoku Rashid Norte mo nyoma ni bi bɛsɛ si biem sɛ player no Kotoko an register name mo busunu bia Kotoko tua ne ka omo mpese saa de ni bi besi bi ntesei se players Kotoko pese o job kwan ne ba a extensive conversation and omni players ni menya to get an amicable settlement with the players player bi antiasia nya adwuma no penifo benya abotre kakra ansa na maka se ye mpew ntia kwa ti se be poso de na Kotoko start pre-season na nipa bi kura nya chance. So I'm joining Kotoko for pre-season. Now, still on Kotoko's recruitment, and I'm the say Christopher Damenyanra, a year I'm a Simba Ture confirm say on any engagement. Mami chile players ebe trials omo form hoka. Na players Ture ede bano. Omo ye 4 and na am Silla Mohammed. Silla contract 17 opportunity da for Kotoko. Sasuna Romanic Amuzu. Ono sono oko Ismail from Kutum Sports onya bim boy. Nam eye foreign quota hon sensem. To no so kwan da no. There are other ones enumere. As I say or pack wie ansana makaba. One is a defensive midfielder about the Ivorian League. And the other one near Mali ni ono no o de ma me fon so Mali. Ni ba ku Cote d'Ivoire. Cote d'Ivoire fo ni mienu Benin ni ba ku na Mali ni ba ku no and Christopher Damenya is willing to cater for the cost say sikom ne be ba betena be ba no obeboa omo be justifying baby o medam obeboa na say so the recruitment committee animu a na ne de Kotoko adwuma but omo ba be justifying no Eric Dofo I think I got the name right now we can say me hype me debi na me say players now there's the opportunity based on the video we watch for them to come and do justify intenya say ye de she coach no kon but approve now recruitment committee ehon komo no Ghana Premier League Makabo for akata no goalkeeper your friend Emmanuel Kobi who has some actually said Dan Lad de no amfa na say Dan Lad kwa Emmanuel Kobi eda transfer list ne so ampadifo monitor no den one player so was Samates ono so mpanifo ni dinachi pay. Then that one will be based on the recovery of Sharif Mohammed. Also, Sharif Mohammed, defensive midfielder, no, kwa say the replacement in the ISM. Timpani for monitor defensive midfielders, no. Now, medical team no so be tika say Sharif ni bi wait me back middle of the season, and then penny for the capital castle. Now, I'm for defensive midfielder. I'm a baby. Again, I'm repeating Kotoko ending players cap. Channel so the players on salaries and other incentives. And no pay ye idea. Air stories ni nkomo bebre. Me da da chiri kakra bi na me dia ma wo. Na ma bibia timi akwa enumre. Yenhia extensive one ebeba. Na sila ne romantic no crament mi an chiri chiro ho nsem no ye. But enumre benya mo try ama. Na menka yina ho. Bye bye.